let's do this! Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be first impressions video on the new L'Oreal 24 Hours Fresh Wear Foundation, and I'm gonna do review, wear test throughout the day and see how it performs. I hope this video will be helpful for somebody out there who is willing to purchase this one and doesn't know how it performs. So that's what I'm gonna do today here on my channel. Excuse my hair, it's really kind of inexplicable. I need an urgent haircut. This Saturday I'm gonna chop off my hair. Expect a vlog how I cut my hair. But today we're gonna do the review of the foundation and the wear test. I'm gonna show you how it applies. I will apply on this side, I'll apply it with the sponge, and on this side I'll apply it with the brush. It's supposed to be a really buildable foundation. This foundation is most lightweight, a breathable long wear. I moisturized my face about 30 minutes ago and I'm good to go and try the foundation. I have bare face, I'm moisturized. On this side I'm gonna apply it with a sponge, and on that side I'm gonna apply it with a brush. This is how the foundation looks like. Normally with the sponge you get light to medium coverage because the sponge it absorbs most of the product, and if you want a more natural look you better go with a beauty blender or sponge. This one is from Real Techniques. The coverage with the sponge is really lightweight. I'm sure it's buildable. You can see my skin, the finish is really natural, and if you are a person who likes more natural look, then apply foundation in general, foundations with a sponge. With the beauty blender, I have no foundation. Let's go and apply foundation with this foundation with a brush. I'm using the Morphe F439 brush to apply the foundation, but I like also to use, I will start applying a little, not that much of a foundation, because if you want to add later on some more, we can totally do that, but at the beginning I like to start with a small amount. Oh yes, so with a brush, in general you get more coverage. You can see the difference instantly. The coverage is real. You see that? It's really full coverage when the application is with a brush. A little bit drying between my brows, and I'm noticing on my forehead some flakiness, which I don't like. Personally I prefer the side with the sponge because I like to see my skin and I'm all about that natural looking skin, but I don't mind also the full coverage. But there is something I don't like about this foundation. It sinks a little bit into my smile lines and it's a bit drying here on my forehead. Okay, I will apply and finish my makeup. I want to apply a little bit of concealer just because I have some darkness under my eyes. I think I'm not gonna apply any powder because I know I'm noticing that this skin, especially here around my chin and my mouth, it looks kind of powdery. I don't know why, and I don't like it. I will apply this Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Yacht. I have a first impressions video using this stick. I want to see how it blends on this foundation. Oops. Not the biggest fan. Well, not good. So on the brush side is thinking it's doing a lines, these ugly lines into my nose with foundation. Here not that much, but on the side with the brush it's not good. I'm just here because I want you. Sour Patch Kids and buddies in the back room. Use my puppies like it's perfume. Lose your shit, you know it's all cool. Everybody here's my friend. So honestly, it is not my favorite foundation at a first try. I don't want to be like, yes, this foundation is bad. It might not work for my skin type, but it might work for your skin type. We'll see throughout the day how it stays on my skin. Now it's, as I said, I applied at 12 o'clock, and let's see after a couple of hours how it looks like on my skin. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this foundation and what are your thoughts. I'm done with the makeup. I'm switching to my vlog camera. This is how my skin looks like from close. This is the beauty blender side, and this is the side with the brush. I forgot to mention that my skin is dry to normal. In this area it's a little bit oily, it's getting oily, but nothing crazy. I will do another check-in in a couple more hours. Okay guys, a little update on the L'Oreal foundation. I have it right here. Now it's 3 o'clock, so it's been 3 hours since I applied the foundation. I will show you some close-up. I had some lunch, so maybe it's not perfect in that area. Still, I think that it's a little bit cakey on this side with the brush, especially when I'm smiling. Okay, so that's my check-in, and I will come back later. Hi guys, this is my last check-in, and it's around 11 o'clock in the evening. So I applied the foundation at 12 o'clock at noon, so around how many hours? 10 hours. Now I'm gonna show you how it performed, and I noticed that the finish of this foundation is kind of powdery. You saw I didn't apply any powder on my face, but still I noticed that especially around my mouth here the finish is really powdery, which is weird. Honestly, I don't like this foundation. These are my first impressions, but still I want to try it with maybe with a primer or to moisturize my face better, and then I'll apply it one more time and see how it looks like on my skin. Maybe I also apply a lot, way too much foundation, especially on the brush side. If you're coming to this video like a couple of weeks after I uploaded the video, you will see my updated thoughts about the foundation. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna link my profile here. Also down below in the description box you can check my links out, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.